Hi guys, this is Myrtle with World of Gadgets. So today I'll be taking us to a quick office tour. Well, I don't really call it an office, but as most of you with kids probably know, once you have kids, you don't really own anything anymore. So this is a playroom, and they were kind enough to allow me to use this small side of the room as my office. So basically, I will show you guys what I have here on my small desk, and to give you a better idea if you have small amount of room, so what you can do with this. So this is my case. I got the phones on top of it, and the chargers, and let me turn the monitor back on. So here we got on the PC, we got the NZXT i200 or 200i. I will put the links down in the description. I got an GTX GeForce. We gotta keep remembering the RTX versus GTX now. So RTX 2080. I got the new Intel i7. Again, I'll put the description on right down below in the comments and with the link if you guys need to purchase them. We got an Samsung SSD right there, which I covered it in white, so it sort of matches the theme. And then for the monitor, we got an ASUS 34-inch with 120 hertz. Down here we got the extended version of the Razer mouse pad that has RGB. I got two different mouse. I got the RX Master right here that I use pretty much for mainly everything, and then the G903 for game if I have time. I have my Microsoft 360 Elite remote controller right here. I got some of the chargers, and on this side we got our the MacBook Pro and the Lenovo display, smart display that is powered by Google. And then as far as what we got down here is I have an USB hub that connects to the PC right here. I got my wireless Razer Man-O-War 7.1, and on this side, if I take you guys down here, I got another USB hub that goes to the MacBook, and that's where I mainly do my video editing. So this is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. And part of this video, I'm going to have a giveaway, which I will show you in a second. So basically, part of this video, I'm gonna have a giveaway of the gaming MSI headphones. It's by SteelSeries. I will send this to you guys as soon as we got few subscribers. And again, in order for you guys to be entered to the drawing, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and we go from there. It's not going to take long for this guy, so I will announce the winner pretty soon. And we have more giveaways coming in. We are still waiting for the GTX 1080 Ti. I'm going to wait till we get at least 1100 or 1200 subscribers in total, and then I will announce the winner from there. And that's pretty much it. So let me know if you have any questions down below, and see you guys soon. Peace.